What's up, everybody? Hey man, it's your boy Killer B, just coming back at you, man, just to show you some of the upgrades and mods I have done to this bike, and I'm gonna let you know about some of the mods that I'm getting ready to do here soon. So man, let's get started. I want to keep y'all alone. So we're gonna start at the front of the bike, man. You see Kong looking good as he want to look, man. Like I say, I'm not done with it, but we're gonna get it done. But hey man, the lug nut covers, man, right off of Amazon for like 12 bucks. Yeah, they hadn't rusted, they hadn't changed colors, they holding up, so I done had them on there for over a year. The custom dynamic fork lights right here, more visibility on the side of the bike. Hey, they doing this job, and I love the way they look on the bike. It makes you stand out when you around other bikes and they don't have that on there. A lot of people do ask me about those lights. And I have the custom dynamic vent lights right here also, y'all. I'm not gonna turn them on, but yeah, they flash. I guess I will just hit it real quick. As you can see, they signals and everything on here, so you can see that there. So yeah, and this the Advan black attack light right here that I have added on here, y'all. And that baby look like a monster, look like a beast in the front, baby. So yeah, I love that light, man. When I was coming from Little Rock, Arkansas last week, and I left early that morning, it just brightened up the whole road. I mean, it was nice. So hey, I didn't have no problem seeing anything in the road or nothing like that. We're gonna come here with the trim. I got this trim off of Amazon. I started to go with the Clockworks one, but I love the way this look here. It came with this piece here. I think this piece here came separate, but these two came together. So the Clockworks windshield, y'all, I had a Memphis shade on there, but man, I was getting so much buffering in with my head, man, it was crazy. So, and I had the 10-inch on there too, man. It came a lot further back, but I was getting too much buffer. So I tried the 9-inch, so I dropped down an inch, y'all. And man, I can get up to high speeds. Definitely high speeds without none of the buffering and all that. So yeah, the mirrors here, man, right off of Amazon, y'all. They heavy duty, they sturdy mirrors. They do the job. So yeah, you don't have to spend a lot of money on your bike if you don't want to. But yeah, that mirror does the job. No bad glare on them, no changing colors or nothing like that. So that was a good investment off of Amazon. And I do have the custom dynamic lights here also for signal turning and run lights too also. So yeah, I got quite a few custom dynamic lights. I'm a custom dynamic fan. And the one finger levers here, y'all, check them out. They got their little logo on here. It's one finger. It's FNGR. That's how they spell it. And they adjustable levels, man. You can, this is the clutch side, but I'm telling y'all, this brake, you can pull this brake with one finger, y'all. I mean, one finger. They really mean one finger. That's what it does. And man, the bars, LA Chopper hammerhead bars, y'all. Hey, if you can't afford to get the T-bars, hey, this is the way to go right here. LA Chopper, man, I love the way they feel. They comfortable. I done had a couple people sit on the bike and talking about how comfortable it is and how it feels. So you know, I don't have no problems at my shoulders or nothing like that. So yeah, so the LA Chopper hammerhead bars, the heated grips, I installed the heated grips on here. You know, those are Harley heated grips, and they do the job, man, and they get toasty. When I say toasty, toasty. Yep. And the Soundstream radio, I just installed it. I did just a short video on it. I didn't show the installment. It's very easy. It's plug and play. I love the way it looks. I love the way it pops up and comes on. It's just, look at that, man. I'm gonna give an update on that radio here soon. It's been on point. It's got the Apple Play, CarPlay, Apple Play on here, and everything on here. So it comes with the mic also. So yeah, man, let me get on and get to the rest of the stuff. Yeah, got the horn cover straight out of Harley. So you know, I've been going to Harley getting my stuff. So you know, I want to get something that's gonna last me, that, you know, not gonna be changing colors and rusting later on, you know, a year or two from here. So got the shift linkage right off of Amazon, y'all, like 20 bucks from Amazon. So yeah, so it hadn't, like I say, it hadn't changed color, because you know sometimes you get this stuff, it changed color. So I do my research on them and make sure that, you know, and just watch other people reviews about it. And I got the Harley all cover cooler right here. Yeah, I got that here. I had got one off of eBay. I didn't like it, it was too flimsy, so I went on, paid the money for Harley. And I got this little deal here right off of Amazon. It's just for looks. It's just for looks. That's all it is. Like a little vent deal. And I have a little vent deal right up under here, y'all. You can't see it. I had to show it to you from the other side there. And it's supposed to help from wind buffering also. This little vent here that I installed on here. So yeah. But yeah, that's it. That's coming straight off of Amazon also. The Screaming Eagle intake and the advanced high pipes was already on the bike when I got it, so it already had that stage 1 on there and everything. So thank God for whoever had it. They fixed it up just for me, so I didn't have to spend money on that. And the heat covers, man. Hey man, this is a must. When you sit in that traffic, man, that the first time I was in traffic without these, y'all, my leg got toasted. Oh man, it toasted real bad. So y'all, make sure you check on that. That's straight out for Amazon, like 12 bucks, y'all. Hey, save yourself some money on some of this stuff. And then I got the Empire collection not too long ago. The Empire collection, the floorboards. Hey man, I love it. I love the way it make the bike look. I love the machine cut on it. And I might get a wheel with the machine cut. Like the front wheel, I might just go up to, they have a Enforcer wheel that's a 21, so I might just install that on the front of the bike. But yeah, so it all flows together. So you know, my bike, I can go either way with it. And I got the chrome caliper on here also. I installed those just to give it a little look on the front of it. So I'm gonna also change these forks soon to chrome also. I was gonna go black, but I think chrome will look better because I got so much chrome on front of the bike. Bad Boy Cycles saddlebag guards, y'all. Hey, this is a must, man. Get you some good saddlebag guards. These are 1.25 inches, man. Oh man, they are thick. You can see them. They the same size as my engine guard. Same size, y'all. Definitely. And it just makes the bike look good, man. It flows with the bars and all that. That's why I was thinking about getting black forks on the front of it, kind of keep that flow going. But I'm gonna go with the chrome. But yeah, and I have custom dynamic lights, y'all, all over this bike. Y'all see this? Custom dynamic saddlebag, plasma rod, the plug lights, all that, the tri-bar, all this custom dynamics, man. I'm a big fan of custom dynamics. So hey, it is what it is. I blame Traveling Tall for this. I blame you, bro, for this right here. All these custom dynamic lights all over my bike. Hey, but it's for people can see you, man. Cause if you check my last video out when I was getting ready to leave Little Rock and I turned this bike on, it just lit up everything, man. I mean, so people can see me. And I got these little deals right here to cover up when I don't have my rack and sissy bar on the back. So yeah, so those are like 12 bucks right off of Amazon. No problem with them, no rusting. So I done had those for a while. So yeah, man, so you can see the pipes, and I got the Magistrol on the lights also. You can see that. So yeah, I love that. So if people can't see you, if somebody get close to you, they not paying attention, because when you hit that right there and that thing blink 4 times, I think the Magistrol got quite a few different settings on. It might be 8 settings or 6 or something like that. And you can make that thing really flicker if you want to. So yeah. But yeah, and the next thing is the seat, y'all. The Saddleman seat. Saddleman San Diego seat. I love this seat. It's comfortable, man. This seat is on point, y'all. I can't blame it. It got 3 levels. You can pull this out if you don't want to rock with it. You got a little patch here, you can cover that up. And you could just rock it like that if you want to rock it like that. But I love using this, and especially when I'm on the road. You got a little nail to go off in here, so this won't be going up and down. I keeps it in here when you ride, because it will go up and down on you. I mean, go down on you if you don't put that in there. But yeah, man, and I love the carbon fiber seat. I love that, man. But keep this seat out the sun, y'all. Keep the seat out the sun. Hey, this seat got that gel in it. Like I said, it's comfortable, but keep this seat out the sun, because I done had a bottom burning experience coming from church. Yes, bottom burning. I mean, yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, I got the little license plate deal on here. That's nothing, you know, straight from Harley. But that's pretty much it. And man, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna give a review on the radio and let y'all know what's going on with the radio. I know I love it, man, and just be able to hear yourself, and you don't have to keep looking down at your phone. So I'm gonna give you a review over there. But man, until next time, man, y'all stay up, stay prayed up, and stay safe out there on those tools, man. Y'all have a blessed one. All right, peace. Hey, I forgot one thing. So hey, the swing arm cover, y'all. Figurati design swing arm cover. This is stainless steel, man. Y'all check my brother out. His name is Kerry. He's the owner. This is stainless steel. It has a rubber around it with some grommets in it. And he have all different kind with flags on it, skulls. He also now makes the lock nut cover for these, the twist down for these. And he make the lug nut covers now too, also. So man, y'all check out Kerry at figuratidesigns.com. I'll put it on the screen so you can see it. And hey man, but check my brother out, man. Hey, I love that brother, man. He called me personally, dude. Hey man, it was nice, man. So hey man, y'all, I just want to come back at you, man. Just let you know, hey, I do have my guardian bell that my daughter got me from Harley Davidson. She wanted me to have that so bad that she went and picked it up herself. And I do also have underglow lights on this baby too. But that's it, man. So hey man, I want to give Kong a fresh early morning startup, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about the sound, if I need to do anything else. But yeah, I am going to do a few mods on here. The Legends suspensions on the front. I do have Legends suspensions on the back already, and I'm gonna do the 475 S&S cam on here also. Those are some of the free mods that I'm going to do on here, and try to get a little bit more horsepower on my bike. So yeah, man, so y'all check it out, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about the sound of Kong, all right? Y'all think about Kong, baby. So yeah, free modifications coming, y'all. All right, peace.